Findings support earlier studies and confirms ICT improves academic outcomes, according to Castro Sanchez and Aliman in 2011 and Gavi Fecker and Rosdi in 2015. Furthermore, flipped learning and gamification increase motivation and active participation, said Mohanty and Parida in 2016 and Jane in 2017. While GeoGebra enhances conceptual understanding through exploration, the slight decline of the control group highlights the gap without ICT. Therefore, I conclude that ICT integration significantly improves mathematics performance. And I recommend that the following must be done in school: scaling ICT integration across classes, training teachers to effectively use ICT, and developing localized digital instructional materials that can be used anytime. Here are my references. I would like to express my sincerest gratitude to the following: thank you for listening. God bless us, everyone.
All right. Thank you and congratulations, Ma'am Marion John, for that presentation. Now let us hear from our panel for suggestions.
Hello, good afternoon once again. Good afternoon, Mom Liano. Am I right?
Marian Joan Doc.
Yeah, Pilin na pala. Ma'am Joanne. Hello, Ma'am Joanne. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Wave from Plaridel. Am I right, Mama?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so first and foremost, I would like to congratulate you, Mom, with your research study. So, while waiting, okay, I know na-share na ni Sir. So, my first question, Mom, is did you able already to find a journal that you're going to submit your paper or wala pa ka-find, Ma'am?
Nag-submit na ko ni Sir Ryan, ma'am, katong Indonesian.
Indonesian, pero wala pa
During our training, ma'am, nagkuan ako adto katong dito ta sa Bye-bye Night ha. Hi ba?
Okay. Pero kani imong gi-submit na imong manuscript, dili pa ni mao, wala pa nimo na siya gi-integrate ngadto sa iyahang format.
Wala pa na ako'y gi-submit ni Sir Ryan nga katong Indonesian.
Ay, mas ayo po po ang upload siguro.
Okay, okay. Sige. So, yeah, kay base sa gi-upload ni Sir Ryan here, ang kato pa nimong raw, ma'am, raw nga draft sa imong
Yes.
sa imong paper. So,
Ano?
I believe that you are able already to read no the author's guideline.
Yes.
Kato nga ang Indonesian nga publication.
Journal.
Now, yeah. So, well, in additional lang siguro ni siya, ma'am, no, for you to integrate na lang siguro later on. So, in response to your title, I also suggest here, no, publishable one. So, it should be, akong ipang andari ang kanang ihang clarity sa imuha pong studies. So, sir, can you please share na lang kung naa siya diha, sir, katong iyang pang Indonesia na lang. Iyang craft. So, while waiting, ma'am, how are you there? How are you there in Plaridel? Dili, ulan diha, ma'am?
Kilom-kilom.
Kilom-kilom. Okay. So, here in your paper, oo.
Go ahead, ma'am.
Sige. So, magdidito na lang ko ani, sir, no? Kanila itong gamitan, ma'am, ma'am, Marian. Makalimot, Marion.
Duha
So,
man na pa name. Isag
duha man
asara.
So, in your draft here, ma'am, your paper, so I see po nga wala po siya abstract, no? So, nag-suggest na po ko diha, ma'am, og mga suggestions sa imong abstract that you have to really include it there. So, I believe nakabasa na po kasi imong author's guidelines. So, imo na po na-integrate sa imong paper for submission. And,
yes, ma'am.
yes.
Actually, ma'am, katong during our presentation ngadto sa Bye-bye Night ba, nag-present ko ato sa ako abstract inyo kundi gi-correctionan ato ni ni Doc Byron. Nana ko name mo atong abstract.
Okay, Sir Rai, murag, tara. Okay. Sige, anyway, ma'am, so ito na no, additional lang to din ha, while sir is looking in your paper. So, Sa imo pong rationally, ma'am, your rationally is, mo na ni? Dara. Na format na gyud di ay siya, Sir Ryan. So, dara gyud di ay yung paper, no? So, wala pa mo
Nakita
kabasaan ni
na
Sir
ako,
Ray.
ma'am. Nakita na ako. Karon pa.
Nakita mo pang imo na-upload, no?
Karon pa na-upload. Sana late.
Karon pa na-upload. So, anyway, so, diba, na-change na diri ako examining na, no? Na-change na imo type here. Kay actually, ingon ka nga effectiveness mo to imong first. Di man ka maka-say good effective siya.
Inyo no kung i-correctionan adto.
Yeah. So, in a way, since nalaman din imong journal, ma'am, ano naman ninyo, wala pa man ko kabasa pod ani, ma'am. So, maybe we will just proceed na lang to the next presenter, Sir Rai, kay mo ano pa ako pa mo siya basahon og balik, ma'am, ang kanimong paper. So,
sige.
anyway, na comments or suggestion ani, si Saraya na po mo forward nimo kay mo write na mag-comment din sa side. So,
Okay,
again, once again, congratulations, ma'am, kay nakapagita na day ka og Indonesian Journal of Mathematics Education.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, congratulations,
Thank you sa tanan.
Sorry kayo na nalipat ko og upload.
Mamayog na lang ko, Sir Rai, nga to sa drive.
Yes, ma'am. I will delete na lang. Di lang ako i-delete kaya narabay mga comments ito.
Okay.
Pero na-upload na ako ang new ni ma'am.
Thank you,
So
sir.
I'm sorry and thank you, Ma'am Christy and Ma'am Marion. So at this point, let's proceed now to the last. Okay, wag gini mo sukot si Ma'am na ugma na siya. Nag-refer na dyan siya. So our last presenter is Ma'am Juanita Rosal, again from Plaridel Central School.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Sir Rai, baliw please, sir. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Juanita Madrigal Rosal, Teacher 3 of Plaridel Central School, Schools Division of Baybay City. Today, I will be presenting the results of my research study entitled Effectiveness of Core Circle of Readers Enhancement for Grade 3 Learners Reading Comprehension. In this presentation, I will walk you through the background, methodology, key findings, and the implications of the study. The introduction and the background of the study. Education is the process of imparting and acquiring knowledge, developing reasoning skills, exercising sound judgment, and generally preparing oneself or others for success. The importance of quality education for learners is widely recognized globally, and it is also considered a fundamental human right, as cited in the RPMS PPST. Effective teachers are crucial in raising student achievement. They should find means to recuperate the least mastered skills of COBIA 2011. However, in the current education system, the Matata curriculum lays oral language as the foundation for beginning readers to prepare them for reading comprehension, the main goal of reading. Wikipedia 2024. Problems have been observed at Plaridel Central School in school year 2022 to 2023. There are 7% of non-readers, 23% frustration level, 28% instructional level, and 42% independent level. The purpose of the study is to investigate the effectiveness of Circle of Readers Enhancement Core program in improving reading comprehension among grade 3 learners. To address this concern, the research seeks to answer this question. What is the performance of the grade 3 learners before and after the core strategy? Is there a significant difference before and after the conduct of the core activity? In order to address the difficulties in reading comprehension among grade 3 learners, this study introduces the intervention code. The Circle of Readers Enhancement Core is a school-based program and intervention proposed by the researcher during the National Educators Academy of the Philippines, National Teachers College, NIAP-NTC, Scholarship in the Lunduyan sa Kausayan Cohort 1 program for teachers. This intervention was designed for grade 3 learners. Teachers' role is to facilitate the process and provide various reading materials such as standardized stories. The participants used reading materials with a 5-item test taken from Developing Reading Power issued by the Department of Education, DepEd. It involves small groups of 5 pupils each, led by the independent readers who provide mentoring, peer tutoring, and coaching to classmates struggling with reading and comprehension. The duration of the study is 9 weeks, second quarter school year 2023-2024, and daily basis activities held from 3:30 to 4 p.m. during the remedial reading education RRA period, following regular classroom instruction. The researcher used quasi-experimental one-group pre-test, post-test design. The participants of this study were the 22 grade 3 learners in grade 3 lively section only. Before the conduct of the study, we have pre-assessment. The participants of the study were the grade 3 pupils who were identified as having difficulties in reading based on the results of the PhilErie Philippine Informal Reading Inventory. After the pre-assessment, the researcher conducted a pre-test. It is a traditional lecture-based teaching, a conventional teacher-centered model approach. After the pre-test, the researcher conducted a post-test, the implementation of the Circle of Readers Enhancement Core Program. The data gathered in the study, tabulated, treated, and analyzed, and used as the basis for interpretation, the researcher utilized several statistical treatments such as mean, standard deviation, per t-test, mean percentage score, minimum score, and maximum score. The results shown the mean and median of the pre-test and post-test scores of the learners. This is a visual representation of how learners' performance changed between pre-test and post-test after implementing the core program. The mean scores, shown as circles, clearly highlight an improvement from about 70 in the pre-test and approximately 96 in the post-test. This noticeable increase reflects the effectiveness of core strategy in enhancing learners' reading comprehension. The results of the pre-test and post-test students' t-value. T-value is negative 10.00, degrees of freedom 21, p-value is less than 0.01. Since the p-value is below the alpha level of 0.05, the results indicate a highly significant difference between the learner's performance before and after the core program, and it was interpreted that core strategy had meaningful and statistically significant impact on learners' reading comprehension. To further understand CORE's effective intervention to improve reading comprehension, it was also found out that CORE created an engaging and supportive learning environment where learners actively participated in reading activities, showed improved vocabulary usage, demonstrated better understanding of text, and improved their academic performance from WANA 2023. Therefore, this study concluded that CORE significantly improves learners' reading comprehension. This study recommends that CORE create engaging reading experiences. Case Stage 1 teachers focus on phonemic awareness and phonemes, develops localized and standardized instructional materials. The following references were used to support and strengthen the findings of the study. First and foremost, the researcher would like to express profound gratitude and immeasurable appreciation to the following individuals and organizations for their invaluable contribution to the successful completion of this research.
All right. Congratulations, Ma'am Juanita Rosal, for that presentation. So now let us hear the comments and suggestions from our panelists.
Thank you, Sir Ryan.
Okay, so
Good
good
afternoon, sir.
afternoon, Ma'am Joanne. Oh, ngano lahi malagi ang imong kuan, Ma'am Rosal? Aban mo?
Sir, Doc.
Okay.
One
They
school
kindly
raman
present,
me.
sir. So actually, I presented, I gave comment the first earlier. So I'll be the last also to give comments and suggestions of the study. So I'm happy know that most of your studies are ready for publication, and this is how you will feel when you receive the peer reviewers' comments, because the system is when you submit your paper to the journal, example, the Anatolian Journal of Education, it's the editor-in-chief first who will decide if he will submit it or pass it to editorial board and peer review. So it can be automatically be rejected if di dyan sila part sa scope or di ganahan sa inyong study, or after the editor-in-chief, so he or she will decide to submit it to an editorial board and for peer review. So that time, mariplyan na gali mo ana, just to give you the glimpse no, or the feel, mariplyan na gali mo ana nga your paper is submitted for peer review, nakapasar na siya. Nakapasar na siya first hand sa editor-in-chief. So medyo malipay na taana kay usually kung di ganahan ang editor-in-chief reject, wa na gyud chance. Kana siya dako-dako pa nag-chance. Okay. So let's go back to your study no. So for the abstract, I hope everyone knows about this already. Kindly add 1 to 2 sentences muna no. Maybe Ma'am Shalom or Sir Byron or the other panelists already told you about this. So before they're directing to the main topic, so kindly add 1 to 2 sentences. Then you lack discussion about the population and sample man in the abstract. It's important. Who are your participants? Who were your participants? Then, naa ba kay participants, ma'am? Pila ka buok? Oo. Actually, just read that, ma'am, no? Naa naman na diha. So, ang mga common na lang ang akong ikuan. Sige, Sir Ryan, go to kuan. Kani. Keywords, okay. Just for additional input, no, for keywords, I hope that we should not repeat the words in the title, because what's the purpose of the keywords? The purpose ng of the keyword is for our readers to search our study in example in any search engine. Example for Google Scholar. If your title is core program, for example, so na naman siya sa title, na siya sa keyword, so mura gamay na lang chance makitaan sa mga reader ang imong study once it's published ha. So better choose different words, different keywords. This is applicable to everyone. Kay as I have noticed, parihar gyud tanan. You can repeat a word, a keyword or two, but don't repeat everything in the title or in the most important parts of your paper. To everyone ha, applicable to everyone. Kaya nga naman, example ako, ma-search ko og kanang okay, do not use pre-test and post-test as well. Elementary education, choose the best words na mag-describe sa inyong study. So let's go back to the example. Applicable to everyone. Core program. So nakita naman sa imong title. So mura ang search engine na naman sa core no. O kana. So ang search engine, so mura gamay rang chance no. So pag ingon core program, mugawas imo. Pero kung muingon nga kanang example, unsa pa laing term ana ha? Wa ko mahununan nga term at the moment. Sige, language expert proficiency. So language proficiency for example. O kana, wala naman sa imong keyword ma'am, di na siya makitaan sa mga reader. So pwede siya ibutangan diag language proficiency, etc. etc. So sa tanan ni siya mga ma'am and sir, common ni siya. Okay, so sa tanan po niya comment ang writing sa introduction. So I have comments and suggestions already sa diri sa kilid, no? Then, okay. And also to everyone, please provide citations if your stating big words, big thoughts. Example, educators agree that success in academic pursuits begins with proficiency in English language. This is such a big idea, or an author from a field of language education should say this one. So dapat sa tanan pod nga naka-kuan na, naka-report na. So do the same, no, dili kay i-state nato nga like thinking our own words. So dapat mag-cite siya ani labi ning kining statement o nga educators agree. Kasi nag-state ani ma'am kining educators agree that success in academic pursuits begins with proficiency in English language.
Ako ra, sir.
Oh, so mura.
Oh.
Okay, yes, I know we can say that, no, pero we're just beginner in the field of research publication and research, and these are big words. So coming from beginners like us, so we're also considered as beginners, mura di pa mo too ang mga the academic community won't believe it because we are beginners in the field, so better support it with experts in the field like educators,
Yes, sir.
ma'am, or English language experts nga nag-ingon jud sila nga ang proficiency nag-start jud siya sa English language. Inana ba, ma'am? Di ba, ma'am? Big word
Yes, sir.
kaya ni siya. Okay, proceed, sir. So tanan applicable ni sa everyone. Please read and reread your paper. If you think those words are not coming from your own idea, tapos not from experience, especially from experience, okay, pero not from experience and big words, use citations, avoid Wikipedia because and everyone also. So Wikipedia, you can just edit in Wikipedia. Try Wikipedia. Pwede ra jud pud mo input og definition. Love is like a rosary, daghay mystery, char-char ginamos. Mga inana. So pwede ra ta maka-add. So avoid Wikipedia, use journal. So okay, sir, na naman ito yung mga comments. So applicable to everyone katong nag-Wikipedia ra. Okay, for ibabaw na, sir? Sa introduction pa man, ano, okay, naranay mga comments diri, ma'am, sa kilid, ma'am. Pwede
Yes,
din
sir.
na mo take down notes. Dara, daghan pa ni siya. Sige, ubos na lang, sir. Oo, so ubos na lang siya. Ubos na, sir, kay basahon na lang niya. Okay, for the methods, ano naman ni e-research design? Tantang e-palihog survey sa method ubos. So everyone should have subheadings. So I have not heard and read the presentation, no, and the paper respectively. So please do have subheadings. So method should start with the research design. So mauni na sa kilid, applicable to everyone also, ma'am and sir. So research design, so explain the quasi. So sakto na ka, ma'am, dana. This study utilized the quasi-experimental design. But you cite an author. Example, you have read my research, for example only, Mamolo defined quasi-experimental research as like that and like that. So dapat
Sir.
na yung author pa ka, ma'am, and contextualize in the study, which you did already. Like
Yes,
in
sir.
the study, the effectiveness of the core program was ascertained. Okay na siya. Then, subheading, another subheading, Sir Ryan, butangig enter, research local and participants. So, ipariha og ka ng kuan sa research design nga italicize. So, inato nga subheading, Sir Ryan, maka-edit ka, sir? O sige, di na lang, sir. Kaya nag-loading ka, sir, diha. O, diha. Ay, ubos na kayo na, sir. Ngadto pag yun sa kuan. Ngadto sa katong pag-explain niya sa quasi, gisumpay naman niya ang grade 3 learners. O, diha sa core program, period. Core program.
Online mo?
Naubos na kayo, sir. Research local and participants. Iusa na lang, sir. And participants. Do the same, everyone, mga ma'am and sir, para makitaan sa mga readers and editorial board ang inyong pagka-organized. Kay when we write also, we need organization skills, no? Kay kung magkadanggol ang atong mga modifier, di na kayo siya makuha. So at least organize siya. Okay, so naapay research instrument nga area, sila na lang ani Sir Ryan, research data gathering, statistical analysis. And most important, based on my observation, everyone, I don't know, actually, I'm not so sure, walay nagbutang nga ethical consideration. Actually, this is a big issue now in research, especially when we deal with human participants. the ethics, especially that we are the teachers of these students. So murag musunod na rin yung mga students. Okay, ma'am, kanang mukuan rami ma'am, follow rami, pero dili ganahan ang mga students. So kindly have one subheading for ethical considerations applicable to everyone na niha, mga ma'am and sir listening and on live. Hi! So magbutang og ethical considerations jud. So since wala man tay ethics committee pa, just highlight that the children were informed and the parents also consented about the research. Ma'am, were the parents informed about the research, ma'am? Ma'am Rosal?
Yes, sir.
Na-inform man po ang parents no sa portfolio
sir.
day. Okay. So perfect, ma'am.
letter, sir.
Sige. So state na siya, ma'am, nga kanang the parents were informed via request letter for research. Applicable ni sa tanan, ma'am and sir, kay as peer reviewer, especially ako as member of the ethics committee in the university. So whenever I'm invited as a peer reviewer, mao gyud ako pinaka first pangitaon kay murag nag-research baya ta nila tapos wa ta nananghid sa parents, wa ta nag-inform about that, etc. etc. O boss Sir Ryan. So tatanan ni Sir Ryan. Okay, so explain diri nga part, ma'am, before sa table 3 ang naa sa table. Murag ang arrangement pa man base sa atong kuan. Ang imong pag what have you observed or what can you say about the numbers or describe the numbers? Then the table, mo man ang arrangement. Imo i-describe ang number, then ang table kining table 3, then your discussion na. So nabali ni siya, ma'am, kining state sa number sa babaw ni siya. Kining based on the score, 70.9, i-copy na siya sa babaw, ma'am. So applicable to everyone, ma'am and sir, sa babaw ng pag-describe sa number, sa ubos sa table ang imo na explanation. Okay. Okay, ubos. Okay, include in the research studies. Okay. Sige, basahon na lang na, sir. Okay, sige, basahon na lang po na ni Ma'am Rosal kay murag alas 5 na kauli-una gyud sa biometrics si Ma'am Rosal. Okay. Okay, sige, sir. Sa reference, mag-highlight ko sa reference. Then, sa conclusion, be careful with the use of words. Applicable to everyone as well. Paminaw sa mga ma'am and sir, no? Nag-ingon mo, results showed that post-test with core performs better than pre-test. So, kung ato hunahunahon, we're thinking nga si post-test o si pre-test mga tao. Di ba, Ma'am Rosal? Like, nanawa, results showed nga si post-test kuno performs better. So, murag, tao ni si post-test. So, ang ato lang ka ng pag-read. So, that's why when we publish, murag, ato jud basa-basahon. So, mingon, ang nakalimtan lang tingay diri, ma'am, no, kay students. O, nagbabay-babay na si madam. So, students in the post-test perform better. Kay murag si post-test o si pre-test imo gikuan. And last, sige sir, references. Applicable to everyone as well. Kaya mga reference di mao pagkaswat. Okay. In writing for APA format, mga ma'am and sir, kining title sa research, kining effects of the strategic, sige sir, ang first word ra gyud na ang capital. Sige sir, ang S gamaya sir, effect of the strategic kana. Sentence form gyud na siya. Okay, academic performance. Pero sige sir, sige. Then, pero after colon, sakto, capital na pud na siya ang mga proper nouns. Kung natay moingon nga mahaplag Leyte in Australia, so i-capital na pud siya, ang of gamay. Then dili na siya italicized. Ang science tali sir murag proper matay na no. Then dili na siya italicized, applicable sa tanan kana para makamao mo ang title in sentence case except for proper noun nga capital pero dili italicized. Unsa i-italicize mga ma'am and sir? Ang kining journal name sir, Sir Ryan, kutob sa volume number. Mao na i-italicize. Volume number lang kutob sir Ryan. Wala apil ang page number. Volume lang kutob sa 4. Kana 4 lang sir, 4. Ang 1 dili na pod siya. Kama, sir, sa development studies. Period din sa 20. Sige sir, ako na lang natiwason og kuan ang sa comment. Basta mao to ma'am answer sa references ha. Ang title dili italicize kung journal name, kung journal. Then ang
journal og kung ano.
Gi-remove naman mo ang 1 issue 1 Sir Ryan. Ako na lang what sir. Italicize mo rag o kana. Ang ako mean development studies o kana mo na siya. Then issue Volume 4, Issue 1, pages. O kana. Sige, ako na i-check later. Mao na siya, ma'am. So, para at least sa references, maanad po ta pagsuwat pohon. Pero overall, the thought of study, ready na just put siya for publication. So, mura og ka ng mahimog yun si Sir Ryan og research secretary sa DOST. Basta ma-publish na nun. Okay, so ako na i-final check ang pagkuhan sa reference later para makapitanan, ha, mga ma'am and sir. Kay mas dapat na ay DOI sa last part ba unta sir sa 20 to 32. So napauntay DOI ana ka nang maklik lang nga ma-search sa mga tao. And that's it. Congratulations, Ma'am Rosal. Just read some of the comments and then integrate in your paper.
Thank you,
Sir
sir.
Thank you
Ryan,
so much.
Rajo, Bombo.
Thank you so much and congratulations once again, Ma'am Marion Joan Pilinio and Ma'am Juanita Rosal. So I'd like to again thank our partners. Grabe ilang kahago sa pag-check sa atong papel. Sir Leo Mamolo, Sir Byron Barido, si Ma'am Christy, si Ma'am Shalom, and Ma'am Nancy. Thank you for your patience and for being with us this whole day activity. And tomorrow, we'll start our activity at 8:20 man dito sa program. So although gamay na lang ni sila mag-present mga innovations. I'd like also to thank the participants who are with us nga ni padayon na sila pa. And of course, our very supportive ASDS Sir Miles. Salamat sir nga for staying with us for the whole day.
Tindan naman tayo nila no.
Sir.
Nag-attendance na sir, no?
Google
form.
Kuan lang sir kanang screenshot.
Pwede na tomorrow tayo sir magpa-Google form ta attendance for this kuan attachment.
Pwede na sir. I can also send na lang po sa mga participants kung bilis na.
Sir
Okay,
Leo,
so
thank you Sir Leo with your team.
Yes sir, no problem. Napa tomorrow sir ay sa thank you sir kay isang din mi mo bale.
Oy. Sige sir.
Thank you and let's call it a day. God bless everyone.
Bye, sir.
Thank
mga
you.
ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you ninyo tanan.
Thank you so much.